Discovering R's Silver Lining, a guide to positive perspectives. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring an intriguing phrase, R's silver lining. This expression is a twist on the classic idiom, every cloud has a silver lining, but with a modern twist focusing on augmented reality, AR. Let's unpack its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in everyday conversations. Whether you're a language learner or just curious about English idioms, you're in the right place. R's silver lining combines traditional wisdom with contemporary technology. Originally, every cloud has a silver lining means that every difficult or sad situation has a comforting or more hopeful aspect, even though this might not be immediately obvious. The phrase, R's silver lining, however, specifically highlights the positive aspects or potential benefits of augmented reality technology. Augmented reality, AR, overlays digital information onto the real world, enhancing our perception and interaction with our surroundings. From education to gaming and healthcare, AR has numerous applications that can improve our lives in significant ways. In this section, we delve into how AR technology has become a silver lining in various fields. Education, for example, has been revolutionized by AR, making learning more interactive and engaging for students. Healthcare has seen innovations such as AR-assisted surgeries, which improve precision and outcomes. In gaming and entertainment, AR creates immersive experiences that blend the real with the digital, offering endless possibilities for fun and creativity. By referring to these advancements as R's silver lining, we emphasize the optimism and potential that AR brings to our modern challenges. It's a reminder that, even in the face of technological upheaval or skepticism, there are always positive outcomes to be found. Now, let's talk about how you can incorporate R's silver lining into your English conversations. This phrase is perfect for discussions about technology, innovation, or when you want to express a hopeful perspective on the impact of new technologies. For instance, in debates or discussions, while some worry about the implications of AR, I prefer to focus on R's silver lining, such as its ability to enhance our learning experiences. When offering reassurance, despite the challenges we face integrating AR into our daily lives, there's always R's silver lining to consider. We hope this video has illuminated the phrase, R's silver lining, for you, blending the hopeful message of traditional idioms with the exciting potential of modern technology. Augmented reality is reshaping our world, and its silver lining offers us a glimpse into a future brimming with possibilities. Thank you for watching, and if you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the English language. Until next time, keep looking for the silver lining in every cloud.